This video is for education and entertainment purposes only. I am not a licensed financial advisor. If you need a licensed financial advisor, call someone in your local neighborhood. I know you can find one. Investing involves risk. Growling Pup. What's going on? It's your boy Mike, member of Growling Pup. I need you guys to actually pay attention to this video and understand how traders know when to buy and when to sell when they're looking at the line graphs. I need you to pay attention to it, check it out, and it shows you how I made money Friday and I made money Thursday using this method. Check it out. Okay, you guys, as you can see, this morning we up currently ticker symbol MA, that's MasterCard. We up $407.34, you guys. I like the display. I got in this play yesterday. I like the price range it was at, and I knew that it was going to come down towards normal price range. It will probably go down even more. Get in with the play, man. Sign in with Growling Pup. I tell you guys when to buy in, how to buy in, and why we are buying into these plays, you guys. Sign up. Please like, subscribe, and share. What's going on? Today, I'm going to show you guys how I made money off a ticker symbol MA. That's MasterCard. I'm going to show you guys how to read the charts, well, the line graph charts a little better so you know how to buy and sell what stocks you're getting into. So as you can see at the bottom, you have 24 hours. That's pretty much a 24-hour time frame, how far you can go back. And then you have the 5-day, then you have 1 month, then you have 3 months and 1 year. As I click on it, as you can see, it goes further and further. And as you can look on this chart, you can actually see the B is stand for when I bought in, and the S is when I sold. So as you can see, I bought at a low point and I sold at a high point. So we're going to go back to the 24 hours. I just want to give you guys a quick example of, if you go to the highest peak of the line graph, it was at $573.38. Let's try to go to the lowest peak for that 24-hour time period. It was $572. Now, as you can see, I have this orange line that's alert. That alerts me every time it hit that point so I can buy in if I wanted to. And by me doing that alert, I just put it in on the screen. As you can see, it have the alert, the buy, the sell. So I can actually buy. I can go down to the lowest point that I like, and I can actually push buy, and it will just hold the order until the stock actually go down to that price and buy in how many shares I wanted. If it was 1 share, 5 shares, or 100 shares. And I could sell. I could push sell at this time frame, and then I could put it to the point where though it can sell vice versa at the same time frame, so I can make a profit if I'm not looking at the charts. So you can understand that when you get this alert, look how many times it came down to that point and then went back up to 73. So imagine if you had 100 shares. Just make an example. Imagine you had 100 shares. Each time it hit that point and then it went up, you made $100 every time it came down to that point, went back up, came down. So if we do that within a day, let's say just this 24-hour time frame, we bought 100 shares as soon as it hit this 572. We just gonna say the bottom part is 572, and it went up to 573. That's $100. Now we sold. Then when it came back down, then we bought back in 572, went back up close to 573. It's 572.98. That's 573. We sold. That's $100. Then it came back down. Now we wait. If we came back down, bought back in. Then look, it spiked back up. Another $100. That's $300 we looking at, folks. Then it came back down. Then another $100. That's $400 we looking at, folks. Now you can understand when people watch the charts and people do day trading, how they actually can make money if they actually watching the charts. But on the same token, you can't just buy in and then sell and buy right back in that fast unless you have the money to. Most people have to buy, and then when they sell, you got to wait for that money to settle down to go back into your wallet so you can be able to purchase. It's called your purchasing power. So you'll be able to purchase again. But that is an example of the line chart, how I made money off of MasterCard. And don't forget the put options. When you put the put options in, every time that come down, you can make money too.